Hey guys, it's Charlotte, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing slime video, and I'm going to be teaching you a really good recipe to make fluffy slime without glue. So the stuff you'll need are 2 spoons, one for the bicarb, one for mixing. You'll need bicarbonate soda, shaving foam, blue food colouring or any food colouring, just leave it quiet, you don't know, or paint, or not to paint, and contact lens solution. So the first step is to get organised. So now I'm going to put in my shaving foam to shake it lots. So now I'm going to be putting in the shaving foam. What?
That sounds good.
It isn't. So then we're putting we might put in a bit more later. I'm going to put in the food colouring. It's a bit too much, but who cares? So now I'm going to mix that all in. That was way too much. Look at that now. Wow. So it's starting to get a bit more fluffy. Let's see if we can more shaving foam in to make it all fluffy. This is an experiment because I don't know how it's going to turn out fluffy. It might turn out not like slime, but you can't not do glue, not do the bicarb, but you can either or. I've run out of glue, that's why I'm doing this. Testing slime. Just get like a little glue so I can pop it on. So now you're going to be putting in your bicarb. It's hard to open. I'll let it go. This will make it this is helping for the activator. It's going to get really fluffy and juicy. Now we're going to add in the contact lens solution, guys. Put it in. Finally, I just put it back up. It's starting to get. It's not working. Definition number 1, making slime, epic fail. The absolute epic fail, isn't it? Better with glue in, but Daddy?
Yeah.
Do you have any of that PVA glue that you use for your railway?
Well, you can try it.
Ooh.
It's not proper PVA. It's fabric glue.
But please, can you use it?
It might work.
It might
It's in a
do.
PVA glue bottle, but it's actually fabric glue because it's what the word had, and it.
So my dad's gonna go get some glue for us because we need glue. But as you can see, it's getting a bit more fluffy. It looks like it's whipped cream a little bit. Let's try and make it a bit more fluffy by using this. Running out. Please don't say running out. No, we're not running out. It might be, but it's fine.
Doesn't work with that PVA then.
It will work with glue.
Yeah.
Who's going to use it? Thank you.
Step out the way a minute.
You've got glue, guys.
It's better.
Glue. I'll put this glue in. This will probably work. There we go.
Don't get it on your clothes, because if it's on your clothes, it doesn't wash off.
Glue. It's not going to be a failing like it always is, it? Ooh, it's turning into slime. Let's have a bit more contact solution in it. It's still a little bit too sticky. Wow, cool this is. Oh. I need to get a bit more glue in it. We should always have it. Ooh, here it comes. Guys, it's actually working. Oh, guys. It needs to make it non-sticky to your hands. But it just looks absolutely amazing. Normally you can like leave it to dry or something for it to settle, but I'm just going to keep on mixing. So once you like done it, then you can add a bit more to make it a bit more like fluffier. It's getting fluffy, guys. Fluffy. Put a bit more glue in. Oh, that's doing that. Need to put on like glue. This is a glue shaving foam. Can anyone explain this? Slime. Try to like mix it for a while. It's not getting clicky yet. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave it for a little bit. Maybe have a bit more stir. Maybe a bit more contact lens solution in it. To make it a bit more fluffy slime. I've got no more glue for we can try it. I mean, it might work. Oh yeah, more glue you put in, the more stretch it becomes. It's getting more stretchier now because we put in some activator, and it's still a bit sticky, but we will wait. It's like really sticky. So, it's really heavy, but it's not like stretching properly. I think this is probably going to be an epic fail because we tried to make slime, we have not succeeded because I'm so stupid now doing it. I need to get more glue because this was a recommended video, but it's not turning out as it is not turning out as I suppose as I thought it would. But it's still, at least we tried, and it's fun competing. And well, no, that's not the way. And it's getting a bit more stretchier. I think we should need it. Well, guys, what? Let's just make it like it sticks to your hands. Wow. So guys, we made slime, but it's sticky, but it's cool. So it's really heavy actually. I wasn't like wanting it to turn like all sticky, but I thought that it would be clicky, not sticky, but it's actually turning really cool sticky slime. Like, how has this happened? It's gone lovely blue. I mean, I had a go and that was it. So we didn't really succeed, but I think I did try, it isn't very good, but it's because the glue that I always use for my slime, it actually works, ran out, so it got all sticky, and I was not expecting that. Next I'm going to make edible slime, so go check this video out. Yeah, I need a tissue. Okay. So I'm wiping